could survive at an altitude of 20,000 feet in the Himalayas, the highest elevation for any mammal's habitat. Even though they seem intimidating with their huge stature and menacing horns, especially the males, yaks are actually very friendly in nature, and most of them have been domesticated for their fur, meat, and used as transportation. Zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes on their bodies, which is why zebra cross is named after them. The stripes are used to distribute incoming heat and prevent a zebra from overheating in the heat of the African sun. They might also be used as a camouflage tool to confuse predators among tall grasses. A large herd means safety to zebras, and it is usually only when they feel safe that a zebra will sleep standing up. Cow. Cows are cud, or partially digested food, chewing mammals, known as ruminants. These mammals are divided into two: dairy cattle, which produce milk, and beef cattle, which are raised for their meat. Cows are able to digest substances that are almost impossible for other animals to digest, thanks to their four-section bellies and great digestive systems. Elephant. These warm-blooded mammals have long trunks to breathe, smell, touch, grasp objects, drink, and many other things. Elephants also use their tusks to dig for water, especially during the dry season. The water will allow elephants and other animals sharing the same harsh habitats to survive. These giant mammals also leave dung, which is full of seeds because they eat a lot of plants. The seeds will then grow into new grasses, shrubs, and trees to keep the savanna ecosystem healthy. Squirrel. There are three types of squirrels: tree squirrels, ground squirrels, and flying squirrels. However, no matter the types, the teeth of a squirrel continue to grow their entire lives to make sure they will not wear down to stubs from gnawing on acorns, nuts, and other things. These rodents are also known to store food for winter by burying it. Snake. Legless, covered in scales, and moves by slithering in silence. Snakes are found in nearly every part of the world, except in the extreme temperatures of Antarctica, some countries such as Ireland and New Zealand, and a number of small islands. Some snakes are venomous, and some are not, but they will only attack their prey or if they feel threatened. Raccoon. What animal looks like an expert thief and wears a mask as a disguise? Yes, that's a raccoon. Raccoons have dark fur covering the area around their eyes, making them look cute. However, these nocturnal omnivores are quite hostile to humans. They can also wreck gardens, make a mess, and can cause damage when they are searching for food. Even though they may cause a lot of troubles, raccoons also bring benefits to humans, since they eat pesky insects and mice. Rabbit. Rabbits are popular as pets due to their calm nature. They would also make natural lawnmowers, since rabbits can eat grass all day and need to constantly chew or gnaw at something in order to keep their teeth healthy. Queen bee. Queen bee is a bee whose main responsibility is to reproduce and lay up to 1,500 eggs on a daily basis. In a hive, a queen bee can be recognized from her longer abdomen compared to the other bees. Among 60,000 to 80,000 honeybees, apart from the queen, there are 2 other members of the hive: workers, all females whose role is to give food to the queen, and drones, all males whose role is to mate with the queen. Did you know that honeybees help pollinate all sorts of fruit and vegetables?